你好，我是 Katrina, the founder and the teacher of Smart Mandarin and also the instructor of this course. If you're watching this video, it means that you are considering or you have already purchased this course. So this video will be a whole tour of this course. And this course is Smart Mandarin Total Beginners Pronunciation course. So now let's get the tour started. First of all, if you go to the lesson 1 of this course, which is accessible and free, you will see a PDF file which is downloadable. Download the PDF file and you can see the whole curriculum. And if you scroll down of the PDF file, you will see the schedule that I made out for you, guiding you how to study with our course and giving you my estimated time of how long will you finish the course. So let's start with the curriculum. From course lesson 1 to lesson 15, you will be learning the system of Chinese pronunciation, which is called pinyin. I will teach you every sound of pinyin, every sound of Chinese pronunciation, including tones. By the time you finish lesson 15, you will be master all the Chinese sounds of pinyin. And from lesson 17 to lesson 22, you will be practicing tones with me. We know that tones are very special in the Mandarin Chinese language. From lesson 17 to 22, you'll get a lot of tone combination practices. After you finish lesson 22, you finish the whole pronunciation system of Mandarin Chinese. But I would also like to give you more practice as well as some new vocabulary. So from lesson 23 to 33, you will be given a lot of vocabulary to practice your pronunciation, and also I will teach you the basic sentence structure of Mandarin Chinese. So when you finish lesson 33, which means the whole course, not only you know how to see the pinyin and pronounce in Mandarin Chinese, but also you know a lot of vocabulary and can make your own sentences. What I love this course is that this is a complete course of pronunciation. Also, the basic knowledge, sentence structure, and grammatical structure of Mandarin you will master from this course. And this is a lifetime access course, which means that you only have to purchase one time and you can watch as many times as you want. It's a lifetime access course. And under each video lessons, students can ask their questions regarding to the lessons that they watch on the video, and I will personally answer your question under each comment. To me, it's really interactive. Also, the PDF files are downloadable, so you can download the PDF file and study on your own. Now, you might be wondering, am I suitable for online learning? Is this course suitable for me? I would say, if you are the person who has a very busy schedule and you can go to a real classroom setting, and if you're a person who's shy to speak in front of a whole class or in front of your teacher, or you feel more comfortable studying on your own first and talk to the native speaker, then I would say online lesson is a good way to study for you, because I'm this kind of person. I don't really feel comfortable at first going to a classroom setting and putting myself out there and have to speak on the spot without any mental preparation or knowledge preparation. So for me, I love online learning and I love online teaching. The best thing I love about this course is from lesson 23 to lesson 33 is actually super easy Mandarin series. I give students a lot of vocabulary and teach them how to make sentences. Students of this course can actually make their sentences as homework and write down their sentences under each video. I promise you, I will read your sentence. I will correct your sentence. So if all that sounds appealing to you, you should give the course a try, especially that you have never have any official lessons, or you don't know anything about Mandarin, you want to try to learn Mandarin Chinese, or you have seen a lot of information on the internet, but the information are here and there, there's not structure, it's not organized, you don't have someone to ask, but you want to study on your own pace, on your own. I think this course is the one for you, all right? Don't make me convince you. You can try it for yourself. The 3 lessons are free, and the PDF also are free to download. So please try for the first 3 lessons and see if that's the one for you. I hope to see you in the lesson, and I really hope I can help you with starting the journey. And I'm planning on doing the next following courses. By the time you finish this course, you might can join my next course to improve your Mandarin Chinese. So thank you for watching this introductory video. I'll see you in class. 谢谢你们，再见。